Have you ever been in a situation where you had to manage a project and depend on 3 to 4 other cross functional departments? You need data from the quality department, you need approval from the compliance department, need design from the engineering team, and materials from the procurement department. And on that date, the approval is still pending. The design is halfway, and your procurement department says, "We never committed this date," and now you're frustrated. You must be thinking, why these people are not cooperating with my project? What is their problem? I understand your challenge. Here in this video, we are going to discuss about the challenges of cross-functional collaboration and the tips on how to get the cross-functional collaboration. Hi, I'm Rekha and I'm the Chief Trainer of Kalpataru Consulting. See, I would like to say these cross-functional departments are not resisting your project. The only thing is they have other priorities. See, this project may be your number one top priority, but for them, it is one of the other projects or other tasks in their list. And above all, did you get the commitment for their support? Now, I understand that you have your own challenges and commitments towards your management, and there is some commitment from the towards a client and so on. But it is very important to get the appropriate support and commitment from the cross-functional departments. So here there are 5 tips on how you can improve your cross-functional collaboration. Number one, involve them in the plan. See, generally, what happens, there is a strict timeline and commitment and push from the management and the client, and you do the planning all by yourself. So, you say that data will come from this department on 15th of the month. The compliance department will provide their approval on the 20th. Engineering team will give their design by 25th, and the materials would be supplied on 30th. But on that date, nothing happens. Did you really involve the departments when you fix the date? So, how about asking these questions to the functional departments? What is the information you require? What are the things in your hand? How we can collaborate and how we can support you to complete these work? And above all, can you commit the date for these timelines? So if you're going to involve them, there is high possibility of coming out with a common workable ground. Number two, understanding their priorities. See, as I said, this project is your number one priority, but they may have n number of other tasks or priorities. So ask the question to them, what are the other work in hand? And what information from our side and from any other side will help you to complete the work on time? Probably you may be able to get the help for them to complete the work, or you may try to find out a workaround, or even create a backup plan in your schedule so that your project goes as per the schedule. So these are few ways in which you try to understand their dependencies and their hurdles by which you can collaboratively work and come out with a practical plan. Number three, connecting their contribution to the bigger picture. See, if you're going to just ask them, please provide the data on this Friday, they may not cooperate. But on the other hand, it is better to inform them how this data analysis is going to help in solving a production issue, how this data analysis is going to help in meeting the organization priority and resolve the organizational problem. So when people understand how their contribution is adding value, definitely you're going to get the support from them. Number four, keep them informed. So you get the data on a specific day and then you vanish for a few weeks and again you reappear requesting for some data. Instead of that, keep them posted how their data was utilized and how it was beneficial and when you may reach out to them in the future. So that helps to create a connection and they don't see this project as your project, but they feel that it's their project and the support from them would be much better. Number five, avoid or reduce last minute request. See, let's say you request or you require a support or you require an approval next month. Instead of reaching out to them just 2 days before the approval required date, instead give them a heads up. And in that way, they will plan accordingly and you will also be able to understand their lead time. See, cross functional collaboration is not that everything goes as per your timeline or as per your plan, but trying to understand each other's dependencies and challenges and coming out with a middle workable ground. So, I hope you understood how you can improve the cross functional collaboration. So, the five tips in improving cross functional collaboration are: number one, involve them in planning; number two, understanding their priorities; number three, connecting their contribution to the bigger picture; number four, keep them informed; and five is reduce or avoid last minute request. And this is real problem and a practical solution. So this is your practical project management for the real workplace. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more learnings on the practical project management for the real workplace. Thank you.